THC IPv6 is a toolkit specially designed for attacking the IPv6 protocol, developed by the Hacker's Choice (THC), a group known for creating powerful security tools. THC IPv6 encompasses a wide range of utilities aimed at network security professionals, ethical hackers, cybersecurity professionals, and researchers. The toolkit is primarily used for auditing and identifying vulnerabilities within IPv6 networks. I have my Parrot OS booted up. The Parrot OS running under Raspberry Pi 4. I'm trying to run under Raspberry Pi 5, but my future videos I'm going to run on Raspberry Pi 5. For now, I'm going to use the Raspberry Pi 4. So Raspberry Pi 4 running the Parrot OS. This video series, everything on Parrot OS. I have a separate video for Kali Linux run under Raspberry Pi 5. So there's two separate videos, but I'm going to use unique tools for each platform. Now, the THC IPv6 attacking tool, it says install on Parrot OS, but if you go to penetration testing, information gathering, and DNS analysis, you can see the DNS DICT6. This tool is under THC IPv6 attacking tool, but it's not going to work. It didn't install on the Parrot OS, so we need to install the packages. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to bring up the site. Let me go ahead and bring up the site. Okay, you can see this is the site. This is the van hauser-thc THC-IPv6. You can see the link. I'm going to put it in my YouTube description field, so you can grab that link. Now, once you go to this site, because I cannot provide you the direct link because it's going to change, because the version is going to change. You can see under here on the right side, you can see the latest. Today, up to date, the THC-IPv6 version 3.8, right? So probably tomorrow it can change. So that's why I'm not going to give you the direct link, because you need to go and you need to get the latest version. So once you go to this latest version, click this one, 3.8, and under this, in this source code taj.gz, I'm going to copy the link. Okay, once you get the link, I'm going to paste over here. I want to show you. I'm going to run, or not going to do anything, just show you. So this is the link we need to use on the Parrot OS to download and install. So make it sure you copy to a notepad or somewhere, and we need to grab this file to download the Parrot OS. Also, for this video series, I'm going to use two sites. One is breachfix.online. This is owned by me, and the other one is kalicyber.com. This site also owned by me. So I have my support link in here. If you think this video series helpful, please support anything you want. So it will help me to grow my channel and create more contents and buy more gears, like those stuff. These both two sites are test sites, but you are welcome to do a testing with your ethical hacking, right? Now let's jump into the box. Okay, I opened the terminal in the Parrot OS. To download the THC IPv6 toolkit via the terminal in Parrot OS, you can use wget or curl. I'm going to use wget, and paste the link I copied recently. So you enter it, you can see the file downloaded. Now next is we need to extract the archive. We're going to type tar-zxvf, and we're going to type the name v3gz. That's the file. Extract. I'm going to say directory. You can see is the folder we need to jump in. So So what I'm going to do is we're going to use cd thc, right? So we are in this folder. Now we need to compile the toolkit. We're going to type mke. Okay, we are done. Next is we need to install the toolkit system widely. You might need to super user privileges. So what you need to do is you type sudo make install. So this will compile and install the toolkit, making the DNSDICT6 and other IPv6 tools available for use. Okay, let's jump in and type our first command. Do a information gathering. The type, we're going to type DNSDICT6. I'm going to put -4 for get the IPv4 address, and -D to get the IPv6 address, and -S start and enumerating the SRV records for carlycyber.com. Okay, we are getting a bunch of information. Let's go the first 4 records, starting the NS. You can see NS. So NS records, NS means NS records. So these entries represent the domain's name server, which are responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses. The output shows carlycyber.com uses DNS1 namecheaphosting.com, DNS2 namecheaphosting.com with both IP version 4 and 6 addresses. This indicates the hosting service use and support for both IP addresses versions. Important to understand potential attack vectors and the domain's reliance on the specific DNS infrastructure. You can see IP version 4, 156 starting, and 2610 are IP version 6 address. Very good information. And next, the information we found is MX records. You can see the starting point MX. It's called MX record. So these are email exchange records specifying the servers responsible for handling email sent to the domain. 3 different MX records are listed here, pointing to service managed by jellyfish.systems, indicating the use of external email hosting providers. IPv6 addresses for these entries highlight lack of IPv6 support for email, possibly narrowing down certain types of attacks or investigation. So we can see there's no IPv6 addresses for the MX record. Now we're going to say starting SRV service enumeration, estimate time 4 minutes. Okay, so we found in here, we found 2 entries. Auto discover TCP carlycyber.com pointing to cpanel email discovery cpanel.net, indicating the use of the cpanel for email configuration, discovering over HTTPS port 443. This information can be very crucial for understanding email configuration and potential vulnerabilities in how email services are discovered and connected. I'm also very interested to find this about how they found my cpanel and information. It's very good information for ethical hackers. So we can see in here enumerating carlycyber.com. Enumerating carlycyber.com, creating 8 threads. Okay, you can see some kind of information in here. So the tool then lists various subdomains. You can see all the subdomains here. carlycyber.com under, all resolved into the same IP version 4 address 68.65.120.190. This suggests a centralized hosting strategy for web services like www, FTP, mail, webmail, which could imply single point of failure or a target for attack aiming to disrupt multiple services. So understanding the DNS configuration and associated services of a domain is a vital in cybersecurity for several reasons: vulnerability assessment, phishing and social engineering, infrastructure analysis. So this is all I got for the DNS DICT6, but you are welcome to play around with all this information and get some kind of information. So I have two sites, kalicyber.com and breachfixonline.com, so you can learn from the both sites and give me any information highlights on my YouTube comment section, and I'll see you on my next video. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.